Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brahmarala. This video actually a continuation to the previous video, where I was demonstrated you my recent app, my recent freelancing app, the PayUWork. This is actually continuation to that video. Um, Let me quickly jump onto that PayUWork app. So once you search for this PayUWork app, you'll see that PayUWork deployed on Netlify. Yep. So I have already demonstrated you the job section where I'll demonstrate you. I'll give you more details on the post job and the dashboard as well. Let me add some details here so that you'll see how the React components are working. The main features of the React is like you can communicate one component to the other component through the properties, the props, and the state. So these are the main features of the React actually. So let me quickly give you an overview on how to post a job here. Um, I'm actually looking for um, um, GraphQL developer, and pretty much the description would be the same, and with the Hasura and Hasura and ReactJs as well. And my budget would be simply 10,000 to 2,000 US dollars as the name. Let me go with the uh, test 13 10. Yes, today's date. That's I created. And WhatsApp contact. Let me provide my number here. Um, Followed by the skills, where you can add multiple skills here. So these are all the components, and this particular field is actually a component here. um, I'll show you the same component I have used for multiple functionalities, where this component here I have used for to add skills here. Like I'm looking for React.js developer, and front end, which includes front end as well. So you can select multiple skills here, um, where you can add the app development as well, website development or app development. That's okay for me. I don't want PHP. And let me post this job. So you can see here, once the job posted, you can see the button itself changed dynamically with a green color, and the text of the button as well changed. The job posted successfully. So that's the main advantage of the React.js. So you can reset it as well. Once you reset it, it will go. Okay. So you can see here, once I submitted this job, the jobs count actually changed. Earlier it was 8, now it is changed to the 9. So you can see here it will display the latest jobs on top of the page. See, I have submitted this job a few minutes back. I'm looking for a GraphQL developer, and the user is test31310. Budget is $1,000 to $2,000. Submitted on today, and this is my contact number. And you can chat here through WhatsApp as well. And the skills that I'm looking for: React.js, frontend, and website development. And this is my description. And one more thing I forgot to mention here. You have a filter over here. This is a drop down. Uh, Few minutes back I have explained you, right? The same drop down which we have in PostShop to add skills. I've used the same component here uh, to filter the skills, to filter the jobs in the jobs section. So here you can filter, if you have number of jobs here, you can filter the jobs here. You can using this drop down. Like if you want only the React.js related jobs, you can filter here. So this will give you a filtered jobs. Um, you can see here it has a React.js, and the next job has a React.js. The next job as well has a React.js. So I've used the same component for multiple functionalities here. So that's the main advantage of React.js. You can reuse your components anywhere. You just need to make sure about make sure of your state and the props of that component on each screen. That's it. And regarding the dashboard, I don't have much things, more things to add here. I just added users and then followed by number of posts, um, and soon I'll add more details as well here. And this entire app built on using React.js with Bootstrap actually. So here Bootstrap will give you a responsive screens. You know, the responsive screens means if you open this same site in mobile, you'll see the mobile related site. It will adjust to the mobile. If you open it in tab, it will adjust to the tab screen. It will open it. If you open it in desktop, it will adjust to the desktop screens. You can see, I'll demonstrate you that one as well here. You can see how the these sections are going to adjust when you open in mobile. Let me quickly. And one more thing I've added here: my YouTube channel and the LinkedIn profile, GitHub account, and my WhatsApp contact as well. You can directly click on these links, and um, you can go through my GitHub profiles as well. And let me show you. Once you click on F12, you can see, yeah. So here, so this is the responsive screen. You can see here, once you select a Pixel 2 or Galaxy S5 or Moto G4. So right now this is on Pixel 2. So you can see here how the screen adjusted to this particular mobile, the Pixel 2 mobile. You can see here, right? Earlier this was in inline, whereas this was changed to a down users followed by down. You can see the post, and then you can see the under construction. Earlier it was in inline. Now this is in horizontal, right? And you can see how the fields are adjusted to the mobile application. Uh, so the main advantage of using the Bootstrap JS and the React components, or like you don't need to create a separate app for mobile and separate app for web application. One application will give you the entire thing. It will adjust to the mobile, adjust to the tab, or adjust to the desktop, or adjust to the lap screen as well. And you can see here jobs. Earlier, the job related details and the description are in line actually, whereas here now this is whereas this is, you can see here that, see here details followed by the description. This has changed to the horizontal alignment. See the number of posts by scrolling down. So this is how it adjusted to the mobile application. So once you close this, it will again change to the desktop application or web application, entire web application. So that is the main advantage of using the Bootstrap CSS. So I've used Bootstrap CSS here, and that's pretty much on the PayUWork. And I have deployed this on Netlify. This is the live URL where you can. I'll provide this link in my in the description as well. And in the upcoming video, I'll show you how to deploy the same application on Netlify. Thanks, guys. Thank you for support.